The Hyundai-Kia EDR tool does not have a DC power input on the tool, unlike the Bosch CDR tool does. So out in the field, it requires the DLC having power in order for the tool to power on, and as often the case, there's problems with the electrical system, and there's not always power at the tool. With the Bosch tool, you can use the 12-volt cigarette lighter cord and plug that into a power source in the vehicle and plug that directly into the tool. So on the tool, there's actually the capability to put power into the tool. It's labeled trigger. There's a little protective cap here that covers that, and you can see when you open that up that there's a port in there. And so what I've done is I've come up with this cable that will attach to that plug. And so there's a keyway on the plug. So if you lay the tool on its back face up, then the keyway is up also, and you can slide that into the tool, firmly push it all the way down, and then take that locking nut and turn that a little more than a quarter of a turn to lock that onto the tool. And now you have a power input on the tool that can be used either with the AC power supply or with a 12-volt cigarette lighter cord connected to your power source in the tool. So I'm connecting one end of that 12-volt cigarette lighter cord to my 12-volt power source, and I'm connecting the other end to the cable on the tool, and then power the tool on. And you can see that the tool now has been powered on, even though it's not connected to a DLC or using any other method that may be available to power up the tool.